solving a scrambled up Rubik's Cube that my sister will just be messing up a little more now. My sister has no trick that we planned or anything. She probably wouldn't be able to memorize any algorithms, any top algorithms, because she's just a beginner.
Yeah, I'm probably a very good beginner. I don't know how. I don't even know how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's.
Okay.
She does know how to solve sadness. So
I do know how to solve a sum.
Yeah.
All right, let's focus on what you're doing. What are you doing right now?
Me?
Yeah, what's your job?
Well, I am messing up this Rubik's Cube.
How messed up is it?
I'm trying to get all of the married pieces not married.
Oh. Look, I think you messed it up pretty well. You've been
Yeah,
messing it up for a while. No, just get Eliza to show it to the camera. Okay, let's show it to the camera.
So show all sides.
Do you think this is messed up?
Yep,
Yeah,
that's
that's
nicely
it.
messed up.
Yep, it's
You,
nicely
Eliza, did you mess that up?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, now Eddie, first you need to explain this super duper cube, because this is a bit different from your other cube, isn't it?
Yep, so have done a few other videos where I have solved just the usual Rubik's Brain cube. However, this one was from a Speed Cube shop. Yep, it was from Speed Cube shop online. Sorry, not sponsored. I can't do that. But anyways, it was a very good. It's a very good cube, and I highly recommend getting it for yourself.
Oh.
Just yeah.
Okay, nice little plug there. All right. I'm sure you're going to get a lot of sponsorship deals with these skills. Okay, now, Eddie, are you ready to go?
Yeah. So,
Okay.
in 3, 2,
2, 1, and go.
I'll be the judge of if Eddie has solved.
Okay, that's it. You're the solve judge. Right. Okay.
I appreciate it.
Got it. You're the judge.
And Eddie, I admit, Eddie is a very good Rubik's solver. He can solve the 4x4 even.
Wow. Yeah, that'll be his next video, won't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll probably do another video of solving 4x4.
Now,
Look
Eliza,
out for that as well. That'll be coming out soon.
Are you going to judge it, Eliza, when it's solved? Are you going to judge it?
Yeah, I know. I already told you that.
Okay.
You should be knowing that.
I need things repeated
Ooh,
to me.
he's getting close.
Oh.
He's getting...
Whoa!
Did he solve the Rubik's Cube?
Hey, I can do that. Thank
Well,
you very much.
okay.
As you can see, the Rubik's Cube is now solved on all 6 sides.
Yeah,
We're going to go around
not so
there
close.
and
Back up a little bit. Yep, that's
then,
good.
and then show you.
Okay. Now,
So this
now
is the
solve
solved Rubik's
solve judge. What we need a verdict from the solve judge.
Is this solved?
Yes, but a little bit dirty.
Where's your gavel, judge? You got to bang the bench with your gavel. Bang something on the table. Okay, the solved. Great, solved.
It is solved.
Okay.
Wait,
But was it messed up before I tried to solve it?
yes, it was by
How-
the judge.
How
By
do
the
you
mess
know
judge.
that it was messed up without using any trick?
The mess marshal.
Because I did it.
Okay, now we need to sign off.
Okay.
How are you? Sign off, everybody. Solve judge, what have you got to say? Final words? To say something.
Okay, so Eddie has solved the Rubik's Cube. Well done.
Judge out.
And thank you for watching. See you on our next video solving the 4x4 Rubik's Cube.
Oh yeah.
Actually,
Okay,
before we
Eddie.
finish the video,
Yeah.
I just want to let everyone out there watching this video have a quick little glance at the 4x4.
Okay, but this is not the 4x4 video. This is the Speed Cube video.
He just wants to show you.
Now look who's sitting in the Rubik's Cube, the cube
So
chair.
everybody who knows, everybody who, so that everybody who's watching this video can
Okay.
sort of
Whoa.
know what a 4x4 Rubik's Cube is.
Okay, that's for next video, isn't it?
Yep, so
Alright.
it's fairly
Stay
big and
tuned.
3x3.
Same cube time, same cube channel.
And out.
And we're out for Cube Tube.
Yep.